Excited to welcome our very own creator in Nas Academy. Ayan, we got Moira De La Torre. Ayan! Hi, Mai!
Nats!
How are
Hello!
you doing?
I'm doing very well. How are you? And
I'm fine and fine. Medyo mainit dito sa UAE, but iba ang init ng pagtanggap ng mga tao ngayon na nakikinig sa'yo. I know it's like a kind of surprise for everyone to be here na parang, ha? Biglang may pa-live video si Moira. But I'm so happy that we're doing this right now. It's been a while since the last time I interviewed you. I guess that was pre-pandemic ba? 2019 ata o 18.
a while back.
Yeah, a while back. And now, I just wanted to check on you, like, parang interesting yung background mo. Where are you right now, Moira?
I
my
am
God.
in class. We are shooting my class for the songwriting boot camp. And so it's been a very, very great thing and teaching so far.
Wow, that is so interesting. Balita ko, you're touring Batangas right now. You're going to
Yeah.
mountains, oceans, forests. Is this has something to do with your course?
Yes. I am so excited. You guys are watching want to know how to write a song, more about songwriting. I have a class very on gonna be second. I'm oh, sorry. Um, let's who's the ate
Mm-hmm.
I college, but um, I want I the what so that um what I myself
Mm-hmm.
um
Ayan. I guess a lot of people parang medyo choppy daw at hindi tayo marinig. Can we redo
oh,
and do the live again? I'm so sad. Don't you worry mga guys. Ayan, medyo paputol-putol tayo. We're going to restart this live again with Moira.
okay.
So kapit lang kayo and we'll be back very, very soon.